Hi, my name is Vaishnavi Vora. I'm from SNDT Women's University in Mumbai from India. I'm doing BSc Honours in Bakery and Patisserie Technology at the UCB. It's very hands-on at the UCB, the practicals. So it's not just about bakery and patisserie practicals, but it's also about the science part of it, which makes it beneficial for us when we go to the industry for our future. The main advantage for studying in the UK for me is to get the experience from working part-time in a bakery along with the study part of it, because in India it's more just like you're mugging up and then writing in the exam rather than having a practical approach to the study and you can actually apply it. I would definitely recommend other students to come to the UCB because the course is very free-flowing, organized, and the lecturers are very helpful. So if there is any doubt, you don't need to hesitate. You know the lecturers are going to help you for everything. So one of the modules that I'm really looking forward to is the new product development, because that's where the industry comes in and we get to know what our job profile might be in the future. I think the best thing about studying in Birmingham is the cultural diversity, the fact that you can make friends from all around the world, different nationalities, and grow your knowledge about other cultures. Once I graduate, I'd like to work as a new product development technologist at a large-scale manufacturing company and probably have my own one day. I think 3 words that describe my course the best are well-rounded, interesting, and unique.